Why turmeric is essential in combating arthritis. Turmeric, a bright yellow spice commonly used in Asian cooking, is renowned for its powerful health benefits, particularly in combating arthritis. Statistics show that turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which is responsible for many of its medicinal properties. Curcumin has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, making turmeric a popular natural remedy. According to studies, turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties can significantly reduce arthritis symptoms, providing relief to many sufferers. Let's explore in detail why turmeric is essential in combating arthritis. What is arthritis? Arthritis is a condition that causes inflammation in the joints, leading to pain, stiffness, and swelling. It can affect people of all ages but is most common in older adults. There are several types of arthritis, with osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis being the most common. Managing arthritis often involves reducing inflammation and alleviating pain, which is where turmeric can play a crucial role. The health benefits of turmeric. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric's most notable benefit is its anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, helps reduce inflammation in the body. This is particularly beneficial for arthritis patients, as inflammation is a key factor in the pain and stiffness associated with the condition. Studies have shown that curcumin can inhibit several molecules known to play major roles in inflammation, providing relief from arthritis symptoms. 2. Antioxidant effects. In addition to its anti-inflammatory properties, curcumin is also a powerful antioxidant. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, which are harmful molecules that can damage cells and contribute to inflammation. By reducing oxidative stress, curcumin helps protect the joints and other tissues from further damage, which is particularly important for arthritis patients. 3. Pain relief. Many people with arthritis experience chronic pain. Turmeric can help alleviate this pain due to its ability to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. Several studies have indicated that curcumin can be as effective as some anti-inflammatory drugs in reducing pain, without the side effects commonly associated with these medications. 4. Improving joint health. Regular consumption of turmeric can improve overall joint health. By reducing inflammation and protecting against oxidative damage, turmeric helps maintain the integrity of the joints. This can prevent further deterioration and improve mobility and flexibility, which are often compromised in arthritis patients. 5. Supporting immune function. Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune condition where the immune system mistakenly attacks the joints. Curcumin has been found to modulate the immune system, helping to regulate immune responses. This can reduce the severity of autoimmune attacks and provide relief from rheumatoid arthritis symptoms. How to include turmeric in your diet. Incorporating turmeric into your diet is simple and can be done in various ways. 1. Turmeric tea. Boil turmeric powder in water or milk to make a soothing turmeric tea. Adding a pinch of black pepper can enhance the absorption of curcumin. 2. Add to meals. Turmeric can be added to soups, stews, rice dishes, and curries to enhance flavor and provide health benefits. 3. Smoothies. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder to your morning smoothie for an anti-inflammatory boost. 4. Supplements. Turmeric supplements are available in capsules or tablets. These can provide a concentrated dose of curcumin, but it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. Turmeric is a powerful natural remedy that can significantly benefit those suffering from arthritis. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help reduce pain, improve joint health, and support the immune system. By incorporating turmeric into your daily diet, you can manage arthritis symptoms more effectively and improve your overall quality of life. Whether through teas, meals, or supplements, making turmeric a part of your routine is a simple and natural way to combat arthritis. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more exciting content and regular updates, and to stay informed about all our latest releases.